So in today's video, I'll be unboxing and setting up the HP Envy6055 all-in-one printer. I'll also be doing a full review of this printer, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to be notified when that full review is uploaded. So the first thing you'll see when you open the box up is the quick start guide and a few other pieces of documentation. And just an additional note about the quick start guide, I will be walking you step by step through the entire setup process, so you're most likely not going to need this, but if you do, it's always here. Let's close the cartridge compartment, and because this printer doesn't have any buttons or menus or even a screen for that matter, all the setup has to be done on a computer or mobile device, and that's exactly what we're going to do now. I'm going to show you how to set it up first on a Windows computer, then a Mac, and last but not least on a mobile device. And we have to do one last thing before we begin setting it up on a computer or mobile device, and that is to load some paper. So you want to pull open the paper tray, then slide the paper guides outwards till your paper fits. Slide your paper in all the way and then close the paper tray. Up on a mobile device, the process is pretty much identical whether you use Android or iOS. You need to go to your App Store or Play Store. I'm using the iPhone, so I'm actually going to go to the App Store and look for the HP Smart app. And once you find the HP Smart app, you want to install it. And once it finishes installing, tap open to open it up. And on the first page, it wants you to agree to the terms and conditions. Click continue. On the next page, it wants to know if you'd like to share data with HP. Now, this is really optional. It doesn't impact your experience. You can either select yes or no. I'm just going to select no for now. And on the next page, it asks you whether you'd like to set up a new printer, sign in, or skip for now. What I recommend doing is tapping on the skip for now option, because I actually recommend setting up the printer from the home page of the app. So tap skip for now, and once you get to the home page of the app, you'll notice that there is a add your first printer button all the way up top. You want to tap that, and once you tap that, it asks you whether HP Smart can use Bluetooth on your device. You want to say okay, and it then shows you a list of available printers. The printer we're looking for is the HP Envy6000 series. You want to tap that to begin setting it up, and then it asks whether you'd like to connect that printer to your Wi-Fi network, and I'm going to tap yes. And then it asks you which network you'd like it to connect to. In my case, it's Vortex 5G, and then tap next, and then it starts setting the printer up by connecting it to the network. And after that, on the next screen, it asks you to press the info button on your printer. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to press the flashing info button on the printer. On the next screen, you just want to tap continue. And on the next screen, it asks you to either create an account, sign in using an existing account, or skip the warranty and account activation. Again, I highly recommend creating an account or signing in with an existing HP account. This ensures that you get the proper warranty registration and software updates. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. And once you sign in to the account, it asks you to begin the alignment process, which again, I highly recommend for a brand new printer. Tap continue and wait for the alignment page to print out. Once the alignment page prints out, you want to open the scan bed's lid and place the page with the print facing down, and you want to make sure that the black square on the top left of the page is aligned with the top left corner of the scan bed. And once you're done with that, close the lid and tap the copy button, which is now blinking. And once you do that, it now completes the alignment process. And on the page that follows, it says that congratulations, you're ready to print from this mobile device. And it asks you whether you'd like to print a test page. Now, it is a good idea to print a test page just to see how your printer works. And that it lets you know that it can actually send you a link for software to set up this printer on other devices. I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just going to tap skip this step. and it asks me whether I'm sure. I'm going to say yes, I am. It then says that the setup is complete and takes you to the home screen of the app, where you can see that the printer is ready to print. And that's really all the setup you need to do on a mobile device. So folks, that brings us to the end of the unboxing and setup of the HP Envy 6055. I'll leave a link to this printer below in case you're looking to buy one. Hope this video has been useful. If it has, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for that full review. Please also make sure to click on that bell icon to ensure that you're notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.